Hi, welcome to Online Appliance Tech. Today we're going to replace the door switch on an Electrolux washer. So you can use a hand tool, which is a Phillips, or a drill. So as you can see here, I just use a drill because I want to make sure my bit is thick enough to fit the screw properly. Okay. So now since I have the correct size, I'm going to remove this Phillips screw. And there's only two. Definitely make sure you unplug this washer before you remove. Now having the two screws removed from the door switch, I'm going to turn the door switch kind of towards the side, I guess you would say, and pull straight out. And then just unclick the yellow harness. Okay, so now if you just flip it on its back, you'll see two Phillips screws there. So just remove those two. Okay, since we have the two Phillips removed, we'll just slide this door switch off, and this is a new door switch. I will leave this in the description below if needed. Okay, so just slide the new door switch on the same way you removed the old one. Then just reinstall your new two Phillips screws. So I recommend using a hand tool or some type of drill that doesn't have a lot of force at once, because you don't want to over tighten or crack the door switch by putting too much of a torque on it, if that makes sense. I recommend you can start with a drill or just use a hand tool from the get-go. This Phillips I have here, the tip is a little too small though, so that's basically why I'm using this drill, because it has a bigger head. So at this point, I'm just going to make sure the screws are all the way down and the door switch is not loose. Okay, great. So now just take the yellow harness and connect it to the door switch. Click it in and slide it in at an angle. Make sure not to cut the wire, and then depress it in gently. So the only thing we have to do next is just line it up with the two holes and reinstall the two Phillips screws. A lot of common problems when the door switch is bad is, say, if you start the washer and it just clicks constantly. So if it just clicks, that tells me the main control board is sending power to the door switch, but the switch ain't closing. I do have a video also that runs this machine in diagnostic mode that may help you. Okay, great. So we got the two Phillips screws on. Once again, the part number is kind of ripped off, but I will leave a link in the description below if you are in need of this part. Well, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, just leave in comments below and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. And please like and subscribe for more future tips and videos if you felt like this was helpful. Thank you.